everyone. I wanted to shoot a quick video today and show you the staying power of LipSense. So LipSense works for 4 to 18 hours, kind of varies from person to person, but it does have some serious staying power, and I want to show you that today. So I am wearing Napa, which is a really pretty berry color. It's very bold, and I purposely put it on because I want to really show you that it does not transfer. So I did 3 layers of this, and then I sealed it with a glossy gloss. So stay tuned and see what happens when I start smearing it on things. Come off. You're gonna love this stuff. Give it a try. Bye.